A video of this, Dan. This is the hole where I found the possible human hair. That's all mouse nest.
Or rat or something. It's still coming out. Oh,
all the way up. Filling the entire wall. This smells so terrible. It's so dusty and gross.
The garbage can from that one.
Oh my God. Look at that. Ew. Now we finally got down to where there was a little piece of insulation. More mouse nest. More mouse nest. More mouse nest. Alright, I'm sick of digging in that, but okay, this gray wood here, this is original wood going around. So we can try to save that and paint it or sand it or whatever you're going to want me to do with it. There should be a molding piece right around here in the middle. That's the spot right there where I found the big wad of hair stuck in the plaster. Long lost outlet spot. Alright. Look at the size of this mouse nest mountain. Yuck.